everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. So today I have a really quick and easy Valentine's Day DIY project. So we're going to get started with the materials that you're going to need to create your look. Okay, so I have this wooden love sign that I purchased from the Dollar Tree last year. It is very plain, but we are going to give it a facelift. I also have this heart box faux leather script of fabric that I have left. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to trace around our wooden letter, and I have already done that. I'm going to show you guys how it looks. So all I did was place my piece on top of it, and then I just used a pencil and I traced around it. Okay, went all the way around the letters, and I also went inside of the O shape, which has a heart in the middle, and this is how it looks. Okay, but no worries, I know you can't see it now because we have to cut around it in order to make it fit exactly as we need it to be on our wooden letters. So you will need some fabric scissors, some really good ones. Make sure your lines are nice and crisp. And take your time. Okay, now that I have cut out my piece, the next step will be to place your leather onto your wood piece. And what you would need to do that is a hot glue gun. I purchased mine from Joann Fabrics, but you can also get yours from Hobby Lobby, Amazon, or any other craft store. And as you can see, mine fit perfectly, and I am ready to glue mine down. I'm going to glue mine down piece by piece to make sure that it goes on evenly. And you can put as much glue or as little as you like. I'm just going to portion mine because, as you know, hot glue gun do dries fast. So you want to make sure that you work fast. Okay, that is our first step. Our L and half of our O is down. Now you can start placing a little bit more on the rest of your wood. Moving a little bit quick. Okay. Now we have one section left. Okay, as you can see, we are now finished. This is how it looked. So it went from something like this, which is plain and boring, to something like this. Cute, I love it. Now, if you're extra like me, you can go an extra step and you can cover up your edges here. I thought about painting it, but I saw that I had more scrap fabric. So this is the scrap that I had, and all I did was just measure my edges, and I cut the appropriate size so that it fits evenly. And this is one for an example. And we're just going to follow the same steps that we did for the body. You're just going to add a little glue to your ends, and you're going to add your mini pieces. I still may paint the remainder, or I just may continue to add leather depending on how it looks to me. But so far I'm liking it, so I might continue to just add the remaining of the faux leather. But you can do yours exactly how you would like it. But so far, I'm liking how this look. It's looking really, really nice. And I'm going to give you all a glimpse of how it looks on the edges. It's cute. I think I might finish it just to complete the whole piece. And I also have some pieces to go along the E side. These are some little mini pieces that I already pre-cut as well. Okay, you can do this with any wood pieces. Doesn't matter, it doesn't necessarily have to be a word, it can be a letter. And you can also purchase those from any craft store. Okay. Oh yeah, this is really cute. This is how it look on the ends. This is cute. Yeah, I'm gonna finish the whole thing. So I'm gonna finish the whole body of it. I'm not gonna do the ends because I'm gonna place this on something and just sit it like on a table, on the desk. So you can put this in your bedroom, your bathroom, your kitchen, whatever you like. And if it feels like it's gonna fall, you just may just glue like an extra wood piece underneath it. Or on the back of mine, they actually have hooks. So it was a piece of twine on the back, which I don't really like, so I'm not gonna put it back on there. I just may add like a piece of ribbon or something. I also have this bias tape. I might add the bias tape, and then I might hang it using the bias tape. Not really sure exactly how I want to hang it, but yeah, this looks better to me than the twine. So I might just add this. This look good so far. And then you would just tie it in a knot, and you will hang it on your wall, on your door, wherever you choose to. I don't know the exact length that I want to cut it at yet, so I'm not going to cut it as of now. I'm just going to keep it as is, which I like it. And that is the finished look. So now your wood pieces do not have to be boring. You can use leather, you can use fabric, you can use glitter, rhinestones, whatever you have. You can use whatever to just repurpose whatever you have at home already to create it to something different, and it can gear towards any specific occasion. Doesn't necessarily have to be Valentine's Day. This is cute. This can go inside of a kid's room as well. So if you are going to create this look, or if you're going to repurpose something, make sure you leave me a comment in the comment section below. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.